Okay, so I've got those in the ultrasonic cleaner and a bath that'll help to remove the grease, basically just a degreaser in water. And as you can see, it's doing pretty well. If you get a mild degreaser, it'll actually clean it off. You'll get nice solid metal. Will take care of any flash rust. You're still going to have bits like this that stick on, but if you get it all nice and cleaned up, you could sand off the rest, get it prepped, paint it, and then we could start to reassemble it. So the other thing you want to check for, I know I said this wasn't really a tutorial, but the other thing you want to check for is this piece. So first of all, it bows towards the suspension, not towards the engine. You want the longer legs on the engine side because that's the way it's designed to take the forces. But you want to check these pieces where the upper A-arm rides, because sometimes this can rust really badly and actually get thin. Like this one's not terrific. I guess it's usable, but it's not terrific. And you'll want to consider replacing this. You can get new ones, you can get uprated ones, I think. Definitely worth doing, because if this falls apart, you lose your wheel and, you know, you die, injure children, that kind of stuff. You don't want to run over orphans in your TR6, so. Anyway, I'm going to get these cleaned up along with the rest of it, You want to make sure that the upright that you check for any cracks, make sure that you get it nice and clean so you can get a really good look at it. And then we're going to rebush it. You saw me using this. It's basically the reverse. You just push it back in using a tool like that. You're not going to be able to do it just by pressing it by hand. I don't like polyurethane bushings. I like the rubber ones. Not only are they a whole lot cheaper, but the polyurethane ones, there's only a couple of brands that actually last. Most of them are kind of garbage. So, and you don't need it. You just don't need it. I mean, the rubber ones were in there for 50 years. It took almost that long before they were bad. So you can stick with rubber, you'll be fine. So that's about it. Yeah, we're gonna finish cleaning this stuff up and then get the suspension reassembled, put the spring back on. We'll make sure that it looks at least halfway decent before we do that. And let's keep going on the car.